These are 13 tire brands that consistently outperform Michelin and Goodyear in head-to-head testing while costing significantly less. In 2024, independent tests revealed that some of these brands delivered 90% of the performance at just 60% of the price. The tire industry has undergone a massive transformation. While Michelin and Goodyear built their reputations over decades as premium brands, technological advances have allowed competitors to close the performance gap dramatically. Today's global tire market is valued at $234 billion, and it's no longer dominated by just a few legacy brands. The real story is how these 13 challengers are beating the giants at their own game. Number 1. Continental. Let's start with Continental, the German powerhouse founded in 1871. Yes, they're older than both Goodyear and Michelin's automotive tire divisions. Continental has quietly become the brand that consistently embarrasses premium competitors in testing. In ADAC's 2024 summer tire test, Continental's tires took the #1 spot. Their ContiSeal technology self-repairs punctures while you drive, and their ContiSilent technology reduces road noise by up to 9 decibels. Here's the kicker. Continental tires typically cost 20 to 30% less than comparable Michelin models. But Continental isn't content with just matching the competition. Their Sport Contact 7 went head-to-head with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 in Sport Auto's performance test and matched it in every measurable category. Lap times, wet braking, dry handling, identical performance at a lower price point. Number 2, Bridgestone. Then there's Bridgestone, the Japanese giant that's actually the world's largest tire manufacturer by revenue. While Michelin gets the prestige, Bridgestone gets the sales. Their enlightened technology reduces tire weight by 20% without sacrificing performance. Think about that. Less rotating mass means better acceleration, better fuel economy, and better handling. Their DriveGuard run-flat technology lets you drive 50 miles at 50 miles per hour after a complete loss of pressure. And here's something interesting. Bridgestone is returning to Formula One in 2026, a move that signals their confidence in competing at the highest levels of motorsport. Number 3, Pirelli. Pirelli brings Italian passion to the tire game. Founded in 1872, they're currently the exclusive Formula One tire supplier, a position they've held since 2011. But their dominance extends beyond the racetrack. The P0 series has become the go-to choice for supercar manufacturers. When Ferrari, Lamborghini, or McLaren need tires for their latest creations, they call Pirelli. Their new cyber tire technology embeds sensors directly into the tire structure, providing real-time data about pressure, temperature, and tread depth to your vehicle's computer system. Number 4, Nokian. Now let's talk about the Finnish giant killer, Nokian. These guys invented the winter tire in 1936, and they've been embarrassing Michelin and Goodyear on ice and snow ever since. The Hakkapeliitta series doesn't just compete with premium winter tires. It dominates them. In AutoBuild's 2024 winter tire test, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 ranked number 1, beating the Michelin X-Ice Snow in every winter driving category. Braking on ice, handling on snow, aquaplaning resistance, Nokian won them all. And they're expanding aggressively, opening their first U.S. manufacturing plant in Tennessee in 2024. What makes Nokian special is that they test their tires in the Arctic Circle. While other manufacturers simulate winter conditions, Nokian develops their tires where the temperature drops to -40 degrees. That real-world testing shows in the results. Number 5, Yokohama. Yokohama has been quietly building a reputation that rivals any premium brand. Founded in 1917, they've become the choice of performance enthusiasts who know value. Their Advan series consistently matches or beats the Michelin Pilot Sport line in magazine tests. But here's what's really impressive. Yokohama is an original equipment supplier for Porsche and Mercedes-AMG. These manufacturers don't choose tires based on marketing budgets. They choose based on performance data. And increasingly, they're choosing Yokohama. The Blue Earth technology Yokohama developed focuses on eco-friendly performance without sacrificing grip. They use orange oil compounds that reduce petroleum dependency while improving wet weather performance. And yes, they cost 30 to 40% less than comparable Michelin tires. Number 6, Toyo. Toyo Tires represents another Japanese success story. Founded in 1945, they've built their reputation in two key areas: ultra-high performance and off-road capability. The Proxes Sport Series has become a favorite among track day enthusiasts who want Michelin-level performance without the Michelin price tag. But it's in the off-road segment where Toyo really shines. The Open Country AT3 consistently beats BFGoodrich's legendary KO2 in comparison tests, offering better on-road comfort, lower noise levels, and comparable off-road traction. Toyo's nano-balance technology optimizes the rubber compound at the molecular level. It sounds like marketing speak until you see the test results. Lower rolling resistance, better wet grip, and longer tread life. The technology delivers on its promises. Number 7, Falken. Falken might be the best-kept secret in the tire industry. Founded in 1983 and owned by Sumitomo, they've positioned themselves as the ultimate value performance brand. The Wild Peak AT Trail has become a sensation in the all-terrain market, topping comparison tests against tires costing twice as much. Their Azenis FK510 summer performance tire offers supercar levels of grip at economy car prices. When Tire Rack tested it against premium competitors, testers couldn't believe the price difference given the similar performance. Number 8, Cooper. Cooper Tires presents an interesting case. Founded in 1914, this American company merged with Goodyear in 2021, but continues to operate independently. It's almost like Goodyear admitted they needed Cooper's expertise in certain segments. The Discoverer series excels in off-road applications, while the Evolution Tour consistently beats premium all-season tires in testing. Consumer Reports' 2024 ratings placed the Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring above several Michelin models in their touring tire category. What's particularly interesting about Cooper is their commitment to American manufacturing. In an era when many tire companies have moved production overseas, Cooper maintains significant U.S. production capacity. For buyers who care about supporting domestic manufacturing, Cooper offers premium-level performance with patriotic appeal. Number 9, Hankook. Hankook represents the Korean wave in tire manufacturing. Founded in 1941, they've transformed from a budget brand to a legitimate premium competitor. The Ventus series matches premium performance brands in every measurable category. Their ion technology, developed specifically for electric vehicles, addresses the unique challenges of heavier EVs that produce more instant torque. Major German automakers have taken notice. BMW, Mercedes, and Audi now offer Hankook as original equipment on various models. In 2024, Hankook launched the Ion Evo AS SUV, targeting the growing electric SUV market. Early reviews suggest it might be the best EV-specific tire available at any price, let alone at Hankook's competitive pricing. Number 10, Kumho. Kumho, another Korean manufacturer founded in 1960, has mastered the art of the value proposition. Their Exta series competes strongly in the performance category, while the Solus TA31 has become a favorite budget all-season tire. The Road Venture AT52 earned high ratings in off-road testing. What's remarkable about Kumho is their pricing, often 40 to 50% less than premium brands for similar performance. Number 11, General. General Tire brings us an interesting twist. Founded in 1915 and now part of Continental AG, they operate as Continental's value brand in the U.S. market. But calling them a value brand undersells their capabilities. The Grabber series dominates the off-road value segment, while the Altimax RT45 earned top ratings as a touring tire. In Tire Rack's Grand Touring All-Season test, the Altimax RT45 beat the Michelin Defender T+H in several key categories, including ride comfort and road noise. Number 12, BFGoodrich. Here's something that might blow your mind. BFGoodrich is actually owned by Michelin, but often beats its parent company in specific categories. Founded in 1870, making it older than Michelin itself, BFGoodrich has maintained its identity as the off-road and performance value leader. The all-terrain TAKO2 has achieved legendary status among off-road enthusiasts. It's the tire that other all-terrain tires are measured against. The G-Force series provides serious performance capability at prices that undercut the parent company's offerings. Number 13, Vredestein. Vredestein rounds out our list with Dutch engineering excellence. Founded in 1909 and now owned by Apollo Tires, Vredestein has been building a premium reputation without the premium pricing. The Ultrac Vorti Plus matches the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S in performance testing, while the Wintrac Pro beats many premium winter tires. They're particularly popular in Europe, where discriminating drivers have discovered you don't need to pay Michelin prices for Michelin-level performance. The data tells a compelling story. In 2024, the performance gap between premium and value brands has never been smaller. Matt Edmonds from Tire Rack stated it perfectly when he said the performance gap between premium and value brands has never been smaller. When Consumer Reports' Gene Peterson says some lesser-known brands are delivering 90% of the performance at 60% of the price, he's not exaggerating. Let's talk about the technology revolution that's enabled this shift. 20 years ago, Michelin and Goodyear had access to advanced compounds and construction techniques that smaller brands couldn't match. Today, technologies like silica compounds, asymmetric tread patterns, and computer-optimized designs are available across the industry. The playing field has been leveled. Continental's ContiSeal technology offers self-sealing capabilities that Michelin doesn't match in many tire lines. Bridgestone's Enlighten reduces weight more effectively than anything from Goodyear. Nokian's aramid sidewall technology, using the same material as bulletproof vests, provides puncture resistance that premium brands struggle to match. The rise of electric vehicles has created another opportunity for these brands to leap ahead. Hankook's Ion technology specifically addresses EV needs. Pirelli's Cyber Tire provides connected car capabilities. These aren't catch-up technologies. They're innovations that put these brands ahead of the traditional leaders. Testing data from 2024 reveals the new reality. When ADAC, Europe's largest automobile club, tests tires, they don't care about brand prestige. They care about stopping distances, handling precision, and tread wear. Increasingly, brands like Continental, Nokian, and Hankook top these tests. When Tire Rack conducts their rigorous comparison tests, names like General, Cooper, and Falken frequently outperform their premium competitors. The price difference makes these performance victories even more impressive. While a set of 4 Michelin tires might cost between $600 and $1,600, comparable tires from our featured brands often cost 30 to 50% less. For the average driver putting 12,000 miles per year on their vehicle, that's a savings of $300 to $800 per set of tires with no meaningful sacrifice in performance or safety. Some will argue that Michelin and Goodyear offer longer tread wear warranties. It's true that Michelin's Premier Series often comes with 60,000-mile warranties, but General Tire offers 75,000-mile warranties on some models. Cooper provides 80,000-mile warranties. The warranty advantage has evaporated. Others point to brand prestige and resale value. There's some truth here. A used BMW might sell for slightly more with Michelin tires than Kumho tires. But for most drivers, the immediate savings far outweigh any hypothetical future resale benefit. And as these alternative brands gain recognition, even this advantage is diminishing. The transformation extends to the retail experience. 20 years ago, finding these alternative brands meant searching specialized tire shops. Today, they're available at major retailers, online platforms, and even some car dealerships. Tire Rack, America's largest online tire retailer, gives equal prominence to all brands based on test results, not marketing budgets. The Formula One connection deserves special attention. Pirelli's current role as exclusive F1 supplier and Bridgestone's announced 2026 return demonstrate that tire technology leadership no longer belongs exclusively to traditional premium brands. The extreme demands of Formula One, temperatures exceeding 200 degrees, speeds over 200 miles per hour, cornering forces exceeding 5G, provide the ultimate testing ground. Brands that succeed there have proven they can compete anywhere. For truck and SUV owners, the revolution is particularly dramatic. BFGoodrich might be owned by Michelin, but their all-terrain TAKO2 has become the gold standard for off-road capability. Toyo's Open Country line, Falken's Wild Peak series, and General's Grabber line offer comparable or superior performance at significant savings. Cooper's Discoverer series has earned a devoted following among serious off-road enthusiasts who put their tires through extreme conditions. Winter driving presents perhaps the clearest example of alternative brand superiority. Nokian doesn't just compete with Michelin's winter tires, they dominate them. When Auto Build's Henning Klipp says Nokian's winter tires consistently outperform everything else on ice, he's backed by decades of test data. Continental's Winter Contact series, Bridgestone's Blizzak line, and Vredestein's Wintrax series all offer winter performance that matches or exceeds premium brands. The sustainability angle adds another dimension to this story. While Michelin promotes their commitment to sustainable materials, Continental has quietly become a leader in this area. Bridgestone's Enlighten technology reduces material usage by 20%. Yokohama's orange oil compounds reduce petroleum dependency. These brands aren't just matching the environmental initiatives of premium brands, they're leading them. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, the trends favor these challenger brands. Electric vehicle adoption continues to accelerate, creating opportunities for brands with EV-specific technologies. Direct-to-consumer online sales, which grew 34% in 2024, favor brands competing on value rather than traditional dealer relationships. Smart tire technology, with embedded sensors and connectivity, provides another avenue for innovation where traditional brand advantages matter less than technological capability. The rise of these 13 brands represents more than just increased competition in the tire industry. It demonstrates how technology diffusion, global manufacturing capabilities, and informed consumers can disrupt established hierarchies. When independent testing consistently shows that a $100 Continental tire performs as well as a $150 Michelin tire, or that a $120 Nokian winter tire outperforms a $180 Goodyear winter tire, consumers take notice. For the average driver choosing tires in 2024, the message is clear. Brand prestige no longer correlates with performance or value. Whether you need max performance summer tires for your sports car, all-season tires for your daily commuter, winter tires for harsh conditions, or all-terrain tires for your truck, these 13 brands offer options that match or exceed traditional premium brands while saving significant money. The tire industry's transformation mirrors broader changes in global manufacturing and technology. Established leaders can no longer coast on reputation alone. Innovation, value, and performance determine success. These 13 brands haven't just caught up to Michelin and Goodyear. In many categories, they've surpassed them. The test data proves it, the technology demonstrates it, and your wallet will thank you for recognizing it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive insights based on actual data.